The National Health Mission (NHM) in Manipur announced a milestone achievement with the successful completion of the first free heart operations in the newly constructed state-of-the-art modular cardiac operation theatre (OT) at the Regional Pediatric Cardiothoracic Unit. The operation, conducted under the Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram (RBSK) in collaboration with RIMS Hospital, mark a significant advancement in the state's healthcare delivery system. Led by Professor Thokchom Chito, the RIMS Cardiothoracic Surgery (CTVS) team performed the groundbreaking surgeries on two young girls aged 3 and 6, both suffering from congenital heart diseases. The operation took place on June 11 and the children were successfully discharged on June 19. This historic event underscores the government's commitment to providing free healthcare services, alleviating the financial burden on families by eliminating out-of-pocket expenses for such critical treatments. For ongoing support, our BSK OPDs for screening and consultation of children with congenital heart diseases are available at the RIMS Cardiothoracic OPD every Monday from 1:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. and every Friday from 8 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. effective from April 1, 2024.